In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2015 through 2017 Chevrolet Suburban. To open this key fob, all you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver. Your first step will be to push the button and release the key. Once you have the key out, you'll just want to take the small flathead screwdriver, insert it into the notch on the top, and push. From there, you should be able to get the key fob open. You'll see the battery is located here. You may want to use that small flathead screwdriver to help pop the old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side down. Once you have the new battery back in, you can snap the key fob back together, replace the key, and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.